Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best single serve blenders that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Single Serve Blenders. This powerful blender is our top favorite among the Ninja Nutri Pro Compact Personal Blender because it does everything you need for making juices and smoothies quickly. You can crush ice, grind seeds, and blend fresh or frozen ingredients for a smooth and even consistency that you can carry with you thanks to the two different sized cups with lids. BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Number 5. Cuisinart CPB 300-watt BPA-free blender. Meet the Cuisinart Smart Power Compact Portable Blending/Chopping System, the Slim. Use the streamlined blender jar to make smoothies in a flash. Main features: ultra-sharp stainless steel blade, LED indicator lights, powerful 350-watt motor. Number 4. Try Best PB 350 Mason Jar Personal Portable Blender. Powerful 200-watt motor. Can blend and grind everything from healthy smoothies to baby foods, salad dressings. Make your favorite recipes with ease. Main features: strong and durable, time-saving and convenient, easy to operate. Number 3. OIG Personal Blender Shakes and Smoothies. The sport bottle and lid are just rinsed with running water and made of BPA-free Eastman Trident, wrapped by BPA-free silicone sleeve that allows you bring the bottle. Main features: fast and effortless, thick smoothie blender. IF Design Award. Number 2. Blenderx Cordless Home Portable and Travel Blender. Convenient measurements and easy on-the-go travel lid. ETL certified meeting stringent safety standards. 2-year manufacturing defect warranty. Main features: premium water-resistant bag, stainless steel motor base, superior portable power. Number 1. Black Plus Decker Fusion Blade Personal Blender. Perfect for single servings, the blender includes 2 travel-ready 20-ounce blending jars with twist-on lids. Operation is simple with an on/off button that gives you control over. Main features: 2 blending jars. Easy cleanup. Designed to quickly crush. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.